Hi, I'm Dawn Hardman. I work at Windermere in Skagit Valley, and I am here to introduce you to my newest listing. So the home's address is 408 East Division Street in Mount Vernon. It is located on Lincoln Hill, right down the street from my favorite restaurant, Koa. Very close proximity to downtown. It's about a 5-minute walk. Very close proximity to I-5 for commuting. It's the perfect location for your new home. True to its character and charm, this dining room has these fabulous built-ins. You can store many things in them, games, china. It's just an added touch that makes this house so charming. This kitchen is very well equipped. It has a built-in pantry, it has tons and tons of storage, and it is well lit with a nice skylight. From the living room, you can reach 2 bedrooms on the upper level, and there is a cheery little yellow bathroom on the main floor. Downstairs is the master bedroom with a 3/4 bath and a little bonus room off to the side. The backyard of this home won't disappoint either. You've got the green grass up here on top, and you also have a nice fire pit area down near the fence line.